and welcome to your EVS class. So I'll be taking your EVS. So before taking an EVS, I want to ask you whether you know the full form of EVS. Okay, let me tell you that the full form of EVS is Environmental Science. Environment means surroundings, वातावरण जो आप देखते हैं जिसमें आप रहते हैं. Okay, and science is a subject which tells us or which makes us to study about the things related to environment, and it makes us to get connected more with environment, and it also helps us to take a step to build a better environment. And there are certain things we should do and we should not do. So with the help of this subject, we can come to know what are the do's and don'ts of the environment. So we are going to start with the chapter 8, that is safety rules, which is a part of environmental science, and safety is very important, especially in this crucial period. We all are undergoing, I think you all are very familiar with the word corona. So we should follow certain safety rules at home, especially during this time. And apart from this time, we should always keep in mind certain safeties which need to be practiced at road, while traveling, and at home also, and during the class and wherever you go. So first of all, we need to know what is the word safety. Safety means सुरक्षा and to avoid accidents, या कोई भी कैजुअलिटी होने से बचने के लिए हम लोग अपना केयर करते हैं. We need to take certain measures, we need to take certain steps so that कि हमारा एक्सीडेंट ना हो या हम किसी इंजरी में ना पड़े. ओके, to avoid accidents we follow some rules for our safety. अवॉइड करते हैं हम लोग एक्सीडेंट्स को. कैसे अवॉइड करते हैं? कुछ रूल्स फॉलो करके, और इन्हीं रूल्स को हम लोग सेफ्टी रूल्स कहते हैं. ओके, दीज रूल्स आर कॉल्ड सेफ्टी रूल्स. यू कैन सी टू सिम्बल्स. मोस्टली you can see this on the road. In higher classes you will get to know more about the safety rules. Okay, so I'll show you some more symbols which generally we used to see at road. So we will study about this chapter. Okay. Okay children, take the book, EVS book in your hand, or keep it in front of you, and take the pencil in your hand, as we will underline the difficult words and you have to read after me. Okay, so before reading a chapter we have to read the heading of a chapter, and the name of the chapter is safety rules. Okay, accident is an incident. Accident is an incident that results in damage or injury. So you will underline damage, injury, results, accidents and incident. Okay, accident I told you, and accident, you know the meaning of accident. Okay, and unusual act which sometimes happen and we don't know about it. And incident means something happening. And damage means something harmful which has been done to our body parts or to something. Okay, and injury also means the damage. So accident क्या होता है? इंसिडेंट होता है एक ऐसा something, it is something happening that results in damage. जब भी एक्सीडेंट होता है तो वो कुछ ना कुछ डैमेज करता है, कुछ ना कुछ हार्म पहुंचाता है, या तो आपकी चीज़ों को, ईदर ऑफ योर बॉडी पार्ट. ओके, तो ये वो डैमेज करता है किसको? या तो आपकी चीज़ों को या तो आपके किसी बॉडी पार्ट्स को. तो एक्सीडेंट इज़ एन इंसिडेंट. केयरलेसनेस accidents occur because of carelessness and hurry. एंड एक्सीडेंट्स क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ केयरलेसनेस. केयरलेसनेस मतलब लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस. हम किसी चीज़ की जल्दी में होते हैं एंड वी हैव टू रीच ऑन टाइम, तो जल्दी भागते हैं एंड वी डोंट फॉलो द रूल्स. भूल जाते हैं कि हम कितनी तेज़ ड्राइव कर रहे हैं, क्या लिया है क्या नहीं लिया, कहाँ वॉक कर रहे हैं. तो हमारी जल्दीबाजी की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ आवर हरी एंड केयरलेसनेस, वी गेट इनटू एन एक्सीडेंट. if we are alert and we will be safe. And अगर हम लोग alert हैं, अगर हम लोग notified हैं कि okay हम लोग हरी में हैं, हम लोग जल्दी में हैं, फिर भी we have to follow the rules, then we will always be safe. To avoid accidents, we should always follow some safety rules. और इन्हीं accidents को avoid करने के लिए, avoid means इनसे बचने के लिए, okay, इनसे गेट अवे होने के लिए हम लोग कुछ रूल्स को फॉलो करते हैं. चिल्ड्रन, यू विल अंडरलाइन इंजरी, यू हैव अंडरलाइन, यू विल अंडरलाइन अकर, केयरलेसनेस, हरी, अलर्ट एंड सेफ. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ वी हैव फिनिश्ड. सेकेंड पैराग्राफ इज सेफ्टी ऑन द रोड. नाउ वी विल रीड what are the safety rules we should follow on the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Children, we pronounce it as zebra crossing. Okay, zebra crossing you might have seen on the road there is a black and white strips, broad strips, and on which the pedestrians walk. You can see a next word, pedestrian. You will underline that word. Okay, now we shall read again. Cross the road at a zebra crossing when the pedestrian traffic light is green. You will underline this word, light is green. So zebra crossing पे when we have to walk, pedestrian, first you should know the meaning of pedestrian. The meaning of pedestrian, ये लोग, those who are walking, those who are not walking with the vehicle, जो किसी कार से, किसी बाइक से, साइकिल से नहीं जा रहे हैं, those who are walking on their foot, जो लोग पैदल जा रहे हैं, they are called pedestrian. तो zebra crossing उन्हीं लोगों के लिए बनाई जाती है, those who are walking, and वो walk कब करते हैं, when the light is green. Okay, remember this thing, when the light is green. Okay, so next line, always walk on the footpath. Always walk on the footpath. Footpath is the area next to the road. जिन लोगों के पास कार होती है, they walk on the road, and those who are walking on the foot, those who are pedestrians, and those who don't have vehicles, they walk on the footpath. So whenever we are not having any vehicle, we should always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, walk on the extreme left of the road. And if आपकी सिटी में या आपके एरिया में फुटपाथ नहीं है, तो आपको अपनी जिस रोड पे आप वॉक कर रहे हैं, यू विल वॉक ऑन द रोड ऑन द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट. आप उस रोड के एकदम एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट में वॉक करेंगे. ओके, वी शुड वॉक ऑन द फुटपाथ. एंड अगर आपके पास फुटपाथ नहीं है, इफ़ योर एरिया, इफ़ योर सिटी डज नॉट हैव अ फुटपाथ, you will walk on the extreme left of the footpath. Number 37. When the signal is not there and you want to cross the road, first look to your right, then left, and look to your right again. When the signal is not there, मतलब जब सिग्नल नहीं होता है, ठीक है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आवर सिटी डोंट हैव ट्रैफिक लाइट, सो व्हाट वी शुड डू? वी वांट टू क्रॉस द रोड, हमको रोड क्रॉस करनी है. देन व्हाट वी शुड डू? फर्स्ट लुक टू योर राइट, आप अपने राइट की तरफ देखेंगे, देन लेफ्ट, देन यू विल लुक टू योर लेफ्ट, एंड देन लुक टू योर राइट अगेन. ओके, फिर आप अपने राइट की तरफ अगेन देखेंगे. पहले क्या देखेंगे? व्हाट यू विल सी फर्स्ट यू लुक टू योर राइट, लेफ्ट, then right again, and then cross the road if it is clear, and if it is clear then you should cross the road. Okay, next, never play or run on the road. We should not play or run on the road because there are moving vehicles, always there are vehicles going on, and no vehicle will stop for you, they will hit and go. So we should not play on the road. Safety while traveling. So whenever we are traveling from one place to another, traveling means whenever we are going from one place to another, that is called a traveling. One point I have missed, children, never tease stray animals. Okay, first we should underline tease and stray. Tease means making fun of, and stray, those who are not having home, and those who are homeless animals, so they live on the street, they live nearby the roadside. So we should not tease them, we should not make fun of them, okay, because they are already helpless. We should try to help them. We should not make fun of, we should not laugh at, and we should not snatch the food from them. Okay, rather we should help them. And they may bite you, and if you are going nearby them, because they don't know you and they are already homeless, they are hungry, they are angry. So we should not tease them, otherwise they will get angry and they can bite you also. मतलब वो आपको काट सकते हैं. Okay, we should not go near to them. Okay, safety while traveling. Stand in a queue at the bus stop. Queue. Okay, queue means a line. In school also we follow some rules na. Yes, we stand in a line whenever we are going for assembly, for games period, or for anywhere we are going, we follow a line. So at the bus stop also we will follow a queue. Queue means line. While waiting for the bus, जब भी आप बस के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं, so you have to wait for the line. Be in a queue. Be in a queue means always stand in a line no matter how long the line is. Do not push others to get into or out of the bus. Okay, आप किसी को भी धक्का मत दीजिए. Whether you have to come out of the bus or whether you have to go inside the bus, we should not push each other. We should wait for our turn. Never stand on the footboard of a moving bus. And whenever we are traveling to any vehicle, whether it's a bus, it's a train, or to any vehicle, we should not stand, because at once it can stop and we can be thrown out of that vehicle. So we cannot stand on the footboard of a moving bus. Okay, footboard means you can see this child, he is moving now. This is the footboard. Okay, which helps you to get into the bus. Okay, so next point is do not get in or get off from a moving bus. Do not get in, अभी मैंने आपको बताया, आप चलती हुई बस में ना तो अंदर जाएंगे ना तो बाहर आएंगे. ओके, आप गिर सकते हैं, you can get hurt. Do not lean out of a moving bus. और ये देखिए, this is a smart boy. Is it a smart boy or a foolish boy? He is a foolish boy. Why? Because he is peeping out of a moving bus. ये चलती हुई बस में stunt कर रहा है. This is not a stunt. He is not smart. He is a foolish boy. We should not do like that. Okay, children. So we wind up here. Today we have studied page number 36 and 37. Tomorrow we will continue with the same chapter. Till then you have to read the chapter 2 pages only. So you read again and again, and you try to get the words also. Thank you.